You sit down to study. Suddenly, your phone looks interesting, maybe a quick snack. Maybe you don't even need this degree. Maybe you should just move to the mountains and start a farm. Sound familiar? You are not alone. Most students study the wrong way, spending hours rereading the same notes but barely remembering anything the next day. All that time. Zero results. That stops today. What if I gave you 6 tips to study faster, remember more, and still have time for your favorite show? Stay till the end, because tip 6 is the secret no one talks about. It is the one thing that separates top students from everyone else. Tip 1. Trick your brain into studying. Here is the truth. Your brain is lazy. Give yourself 3 hours to study. It will take 3 hours, mostly filled with distractions. This is called Parkinson's Law. Work expands to fill the time you give it. Here's the fix. Do not say, I will study for 3 hours. Instead say, I will just do 20 minutes. Your brain stops resisting because 20 minutes feels easy. And once you start, you will probably keep going. Tip 2. Learn like a genius. Einstein said, if you cannot explain it simply, you do not understand it. So pretend you are explaining the topic to a 5-year-old. No big words. Keep it dead simple. Notice where you get stuck. That is exactly what you need to relearn. When you do this, you are not just memorizing, you are actually understanding. Tip 3. Stop rereading. Start testing. Rereading gives you the illusion of learning. Here is what is scientifically proven to burn information into your brain. Active recall. Close the book. Try to recall key points from memory. Write notes without looking. Use flashcards. But test yourself, do not just read them. Do this and you will remember things twice as fast, guaranteed. Tip 4. The timer trick for instant focus. Ever notice how you get super focused right before a deadline? That is because urgency creates focus, and you can manufacture that urgency yourself. Set a 30-minute timer. Study like it is an emergency. Then take a full 5-minute break. Move, stretch, or scroll guilt-free. Repeat. Short sprints prevent burnout and keep your brain locked in. Tip 5. Work smarter, not harder. 80% of your results come from just 20% of what you study. So stop wasting time on tiny details that will not show up on the test. Start with a practice test before you even study. Instantly see which topics come up most, then spend 80% of your time on exactly those. That is how you study smart. And now, the tip no one talks about. Tip 6. The real shortcut to better learning. You can use every study hack in the book, but if your brain cannot process information properly, it all disappears. Most students focus only on what they study, not on how their brain processes it. Your brain does not store information while you study. It locks it in while you sleep. Pull all-nighters? You will retain almost nothing. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and your brain files everything into long-term memory. And exercise? Even a short walk gives your memory a massive boost. Sleep plus exercise equals free brain upgrades. No app required. So here's your 6-step cheat sheet. Do those and you will study smarter than 99% of your class. If this helped you, subscribe right now and join thousands of students who are already studying smarter. New tips every week. Let's get those grades up together.